Yeah, man. Boy.
That look like Droopy.
Yeah, that is me, boy, out that crib, boy. Smoked her down.
He smoked her down.
Let's go.
Hey.
It's already rolling.
Y'all already know what it is, dog. We live, man.
Bitch.
At the fucking Motor City Casino. Shouts out to Be Nice, man. Lady B, man. They provided the... You see the ambiance. Look behind me. If you ain't never been to Detroit, god damn it, you can come to the city. Shooters are available. You got a fire for sale. You know, peace be God, God be peace, you know. I just showed y'all downstairs we was eating. I still got steaks left. Little half pieces of steaks, sandwiches and shit. Shouts out to the Trash Life gang. We gonna feed y'all when we throw it away. But right now we eating, bitch. Yeah, it's like that, yeah. I told me to stand up. Hold on, my man. Come here, I want to get you a close-up. Come here, let me show you something. Come here. You see that shit out there? That's the outer limits. Once you get out there, you can't get ooped. You know, once you come inside of here, you will not get ooped. That's Be Nice. Shouts out to Be Easy.
Be Nice.
Be Easy.
Finesse game. That's all I gotta say. Finesse.
And do not be party. Boy, you can go bye-bye.
Yeah. I don't fuck with no body niggas. It's all finesse game. You will get finesse. You will get finesse. Fucking with B. Because I am the best.
Look at him buffed up. He's so Buffy bag.
At this get money shit. Let's put it like that.
Hey,
Lady B.
Bob, you can have your shit. You can have a video.
Shouts out to Lady B.
Lady B in the building.
Lady B in the building.
Hey, lady. Oh, we got guests.
She is married. You see the ring.
Hey, ladies.
We got guests, you know. Shout out to the Finesse gang, you know.
Buddha Bless in the building.
All right for the AT, Elliot.
Oh, yeah.
You know. All right for the AT, you know. So look, take a look at the view. Just remember, when you go out there, you are not a part of the finesse game. You can get ooped. You know what I'm saying?
Boy.
Shouts out to all my shooters.
Rest in peace to my nigga Black, man.
Rest in peace, my nigga Black, dog.
All night, all fucking night, man.
All fucking night. Rest in peace
to my nigga, man.
If I ain't told you niggas once, I'm gonna tell you niggas 5 times. Rest in peace, Black. 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 5 times,
bitch. Fuck you, niggas.
I love you,
but fuck you.
Fuck you.